Hi everyone, we're going to find the sum of the series from k equals 2 to 5 of log of the quantity of 1 plus 1 divided by k squared minus 1. The first thing we can do is simplify this by getting the common denominator. So I'm going to write the sum for k equals 2 to 5 and write log. Now I want this common denominator to be k squared minus 1. So I have to multiply this 1 by k squared minus 1. Then you still have this plus 1. And what happens is these two 1's cancel. And the next thing we do, because this is a telescope series, and it's going to make it easier to see the pattern, is write this as log of k squared. It's going to be k squared. I'm going to write k squared as k times k. And then for this piece, I'm going to expand it with my difference of squares. So k minus 1 times k plus 1. Now when I start writing out some of my sums here, I'm going to put these two together. And then I'm going to put these two together because it helps us see the pattern. So what I mean is when I start with k equals 2, we're going to have log, and for this first part we're going to get 2 divided by 1, and then times the second part, this is going to be 2 divided by 3. The next step would be plus log. Now we do k equals 3, so that's going to be 3 divided by 2 times 3 divided by 4. Then we have k equals 3, so that's going to be log of 4 divided by 3 times 4 divided by, let's see, we had 4 divided by 5. And then for the fifth term, let's move all the way down, do plus plus log, and that would be 5 divided by 4 times 5 divided by 6. Now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out this log so I can help see the pattern better. So that's going to be equal to log, and we're going to have 2 divided by 1 times 2 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 2 times, let's see, remember we're using the product property of log. So 3 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 3 times 4 divided by 5. Let's see, times 5 divided by 4 times 5 divided by 6. All right, so I got them all written out, and let's see what cancels out. This 2 cancels out with this 2. This 3 cancels out with this 3. Okay, this 3 cancels out with this 3. And then this 4 cancels out with this 4. All right, and the 5's here, we'll have this 4 here cancels out with this 4. And therefore this 5 cancels out with this 5. I probably should have written this one this way. But anyway, what we're left with is log of 2 divided by 1 times 5 divided by 6. And that's with, we're just writing this as a single log. Now, we have log of, this is going to be 10 divided by 6. All right, and from here what we can do is, I don't want to simplify it, because remember, if you just have a log with no base, that's really base 10. So I want to keep it this way. Now I'm going to expand it, since it's division, using my quotient property. I have log of 10 minus log of 6. Well, log base 10 of 10 here is just 1. So basically your final answer is going to be 1 minus log of 6. And that is your sum. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.